Where did you?
Tron partners with crypto and proud to promote TRX use. Tron News. Important Tron cryptocurrency news. Tron Foundation partners with crypto and proud to promote TRX use. There is no doubt that the coins that find utility will gain greater adoption. One of the ways foundations are pushing for adoption is by creating avenues through which their token will find use as a means of transfer of value and not merely as speculative instruments and store of value. In view of this, the Tron Foundation recently partnered with crypto and proud to bring various merchandise to the Tron community. In a tweet announcing the deal, Justin Sun, the Tron founder, wrote that crypto and proud has made available some basic collectibles for purchase by the Tron community using the TRX. He also said that the collectible base will increase with time even as crypto and proud has been mandated to produce merchandise unique to Tron. Presently, the products available for the Tron community at the Crypto and Proud store are t-shirts, polo shirts and iPhone X cases. A Medium post about the arrangement said that Crypto and Proud ships internationally. So all holders of the Tron token, TRX, and holders of 50 other tokens can order from the store. Justin Sun already has 800,000 followers and counting. Justin Sun has just announced that his Twitter followers have surpassed the 800,000 mark. According to him, this happened in a short time thanks to his Tronix. He then went on to announce that he has a surprise for everyone when he gains 1 million followers. Sun also made another tweet announcing that the Tron Maint now has more accounts than the EOS Maint, having surpassed EOS on September 4. Sun referred to TRXplorer.io and Ozflare.io showed that the Tron network had 301,604 and 299,743 respectively. Sun in the tweet concluded that just 71 days after the launch of the Tron Maint, it has continued to gain recognition. Apparently in an effort to create more awareness for the TRX, Binance has announced a trading competition in which the exchange will be giving away 1 million TRX. The competition lasts until September 13 and is for KY's traders that trade volumes up to 300,000 TRX. Tron price. The Tron Foundation working hard on fundamentals yet. TRX do not seem to be responding to the beehive of activities put up by the Tron Foundation that in normal times would have reflected in the coin price. However, the coin is not among the worst hits as it has a buffer as it trades sideways. RSI equals 51.32. The coin market is generally in a bearish mood as altcoins shed value in varying degrees. Tron has shed 6.95% in the past 24 hours, trading at $0.01929. The call remains bearish as sells with stops at 22 cents is recommended. TRX, USD price chart, Sunday, September 9. Dale McIntyre suggests selling sane. Emphasis is to sell on every high and lower time frames with targets at Jan 24 lows. A second look at the daily chart shows that any break below August lows would most likely spur the next wave of sells, driving prices towards our penultimate bear targets. There's every reason to believe that Tron, TRX, is severely undervalued. Tron's stream of achievements has been impressive since it was founded, and things have only been faster and more intense over the last month. And yet, the coin's value keeps going down, $0.020 at the time I write this, and that's after 17% increase in value within the last 24 hours. There's only one explanation for this. Tron's price is currently not being determined by the projects or the asset's value but by perception and the recent bad run that has plagued Bitcoin. There are plenty of reasons to think this, and here they are. The testnet and the mainnet was a success. Project Genesis, Tron's new mainnet, was launched on time and it performed flawlessly. No vulnerabilities, delays, bugs. This is not as common as you could think. EOS launched its own mainnet at the same time, more or less, and it was a complete disaster. And the Tron Foundation has a program that encourages, and pays prizes to, members of the Tron community to search and find problems in the project's code. They've found none because there are none, which speaks very well of Tron's developer team's competence. BitTorrent was much in Justin Sun's mind even as Tron was founded. The organization's white paper mentions it 8 times in total. And now, he owns it. Tron will bring together its mainnet and BitTorrent and calls them Project Atlas, thus bringing 150 million new users into the Tron community. Almost 1,300% growth in price. Tron started at $0.0019 and is now at $0.020. That means that every investor that has been in since day one now has earned almost 1,300% in returns, which is nothing short of spectacular. Pornhub is now taking TRX. Pornhub seems to be quite enthusiastic about digital assets. First, it partnered up with Verge, and now it will also be accepting TRX as a means of payment for subscriptions. This will give Tron's token a lot more exposure, it will bring in new users, and it will create demand. Coin burn and lockup oversupply has been in potential Tron investors from the beginning. To assuage those fears and worries, 1 billion tokens were burned right after the mainnet was launched to limit supply. Then the Tron Foundation locked up 33.25 billion tokens, and they will remain out of circulation until the year 2020 begins. Tron is making sure the token is as scarce as reasonably possible to create a deflationary trend that drives prices up. It hasn't worked yet, but it's the right move nevertheless. BitTorrent acquisition, Bitbox listing, and blockchain.org. Purchase the list of Tron, TRX, strides does not end, even though the things mentioned above are not that old, but still, Tron is hitting the deck extremely hard that there are more recent things we need to discuss. Last month, it was confirmed that the blockchain project acquired the world's best peer-to-peer platform, BitTorrent, which means it now has access to 100 million BitTorrent users. Now, a couple of days ago, Tron went ahead and purchased blockchain.org. Domain with the intention to become Google of the blockchain world. And, then right after that, Bitbox, a crypto exchange owned by Line, popular messaging platform, added TRX as its very first cryptocurrency on the platform. In conclusion, Tron has more history in a single year than most blockchain projects have achieved in years. It's finding adoption, applications, the leadership delivers and promises, and the technology is superior and flawless. There is a stark contrast in the way the project and the coin perform, as one is outstanding and the other one is dismal. This can only mean that the TR's token value is undervalued as of now. The market owes Tron a serious correction, and that will make the coin's value soar. No worries, that's probably coming. Here is how Tron, TRX, becomes a SHT coin in a good way. SH coin is a term that is used in the cryptoverse to describe a coin or token that is more or less worthless. The usual story is that they start off as revolutionary blockchain projects that claim to disrupt everything: banking, insurance, online identity et al. They raise funds and then the project fails and disappears into obscurity together with the value of the token or coin. Tron, TRX, was once referred to as a SHT coin, but it has proved critics wrong with the working MAD, a loyal community and a bright future with BitTorrent being its golden goose. So why is Tron, TRX, a SHT coin in a good way? The Tron Foundation has recently announced a partnership with Mushroom, which is a leading portable smart toilet supplier in China. As weird as the partnership might sound, it is strategic in the sense that we have to use these facilities a few times a day. Justin Sun announced the partnership via Twitter, as can be seen below. Investigating further about the partnership, we find that they will work on blockchain technologies, especially cross-border settlements with cryptocurrencies. Mushroom has a track record of innovating some of the best smart toilets out there, complete with renewable energy and vending machines. Supported by the Chinese government, Mushroom has placed dozens of these portable toilets in the streets of Beijing, thereby making this partnership with Tron quite significant. The cooperation will allow Mushroom to gain technical support for mobile payments, especially on the cross-border front. Justin Sun is quoted as saying the following with regards to the partnership: Tron hopes to help Mushroom improve bathroom experience for more ordinary people in developing countries, with a focus on cross-border payment settlement. We would like to make sure that this project continues in an effective and healthy manner with a good business model. The aspect of cross-border transactions was further elaborated by the founder and CEO of Mushroom, Cosmos Wu. Since currency systems vary from country to country, it's not an easy job to popularize our portable toilets around the world. Therefore, we are happy to work with Tron, one of the best in the blockchain community, and promote our project with the help of cryptocurrency. Tron and Mushroom will first promote portable toilets in Southeast Asia and India, regions with a considerably high population. The usage and payment of the toilets will be enabled by blockchain technologies. So there you have it, ladies and gents. TRX is now SHT coin in a good way. The cryptocurrency will be advancing public health and sanitation, as well as getting into a new industry of cross-border payments. One is tempted to remember that Justin Sun once worked for Ripple before starting his own project. Therefore, there is some hidden excitement in all this and as to what the final solution will be.